Jumapili ngiyaye chitariki emeronke 25 cy'umutinyo 5 na 3 Mwanchi umuriyengo sabo kwa biraso muchando yimokobere ko gotoka sensemo yemetambo ngugena litore undi genderete ko bari toyere kigma na manano genderete kwego kya soko bwatemero berionsi yegateseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo muksi na manga genderete ukoreka na imeyense ya Kenya chinga kitoro chibono abari mu inse yekyombe gya kupet na boigonat bagenderete ko gosereria gochiago chako mugirobo litkoria ankyo askire bakumochi yekyombe kya bari mu Teacher Service Commission ko bwatkana noko goko taikirani wa kwa maganiabo no muraiwese Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigagenderete gusegeta Kenya kugendera ku musiro muraiwe kya makya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga aseganga yaye yoko rijya ekerogo kyobunyakirogo ase ekyombekeria kyobomo bwechinse ritwale rero nigo mokonye bo muraiwese Rigathi Gachagua amona baraibande kurasa serikali ya Kenya kwanza basangirekanire aso musangirikano bw'amasabo ase kanisa ya SCK St Joseph Arimathea aime ya Sambu county ya Nairobi kukwariga ni aseme ya mayachi nsaisano na ibirere ngubenye munanara yana kwariganire asenchira ere yobwengere tarane Evelyn Sero no litokubwatirana asoko ene kyebicenere yogichawe kere nigakoro kwa Kevin Mugambi ngukwariga ntobe tugusanga hwikomweryo. Manchio murigere banana bo kugendera otunyara sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otunyara wetra Ndizi TV News na wegase website yetu wetra www.ndizitv.net heri otogendera gusanga asobwamo uko ari nantucha kama yaye chinsa isana nebere asenchira yobwenge asomura iwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto agenderete kwene kia obomo ase aba Kenya bonsi asekirenga akyogo ikirania magendero asaba Kenya na wegosikia ense ya Kenya bosio ukwana chinga kiranite asomo yega bwo kumwarigania inka omwazire anigo babete Ruto nigabete kabate babuna nigo abwatekirenga yoko bwatania aba Kenya bonsi asemirobere serikali ya Kenya kwanza eriyo kweneki abuna magendero nugo sirana kwa bere gokorekana ororo nigabetega kwa kira ekoko eganga ya muraiwe kyama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga yokurigia ekiro kyobunyakirogo ase kyombe kya AU na koboria aba Kenya bonsi kweneki abuna nkomusira bareraira asegangeyo eriyo kweneki abuna onyoreri bagerio nigabetega kwegerera obokoreri obuyabwa ya Raila notebabuna n'umuntu bwatomuke kigima bokubwatwa bokoreri borobya na igaisi konyorari bagasekeruge kyo nigarache gokonya mono achinse cia Afrika asesemo ya magendera nena sokubwatania ense ya Kenya.
Sisi wote tumeungana kwa sababu we have an opportunity as a country to produce the next chairman of Africa Union Commission. We must work together. It is not a position that belongs to a person. It is our collective position as a country. And therefore, all of us must support our former Prime Minister, Raila Odinga, for that position because it is a position that will give us as a country an opportunity to serve in that level. And we have confidence that our former Prime Minister has the requisite experience, understanding and knowledge to provide leadership for our continent because our continent is our future market. is our future in all aspects, and therefore we must position ourselves appropriately. Sisi wote tuungane, tutembee pamoja kama wananchi wa Kenya. Hebu ni wale wanasema tuungane na tuende mbele pamoja. Basi Junet, umeona sasa raia wamesema tuungane. Wewe usozi raia wamesema tuungane.
Togos kabo sioni gomo baskana obwe para obago koene kwimambia lera se pale nene ya Eldoret Nakuru koirera babere gusiria amagimana bande wetani meronkebere gotigerwa chingoma echo bagenderete ko bwenya ase chinyagitari au ni gomo baskano yo magoko yebwatranie gari na ye bus eyo yaringe kurwa asensemo ya Kongo gochya somo cyo Mombasa chinga kiabage gotumana nelori eyo boigo yaje tuma egari enkaina ye Probox ase pasi eyo yabake gotrungana gochiase omutaraime akoirera omubasukano bwabo gosiria obogima bali abakonyekana baba bakonyeka kurwase omubasukano yo nigo baba bakorera esabari na yarenge asinonya nabo batayobna tibarochye mamo chanons kurwa bachaka esabari abo wikirabuna omubasukano yo obago koyeneki wachinga ke basi eyo yarenge gotema gweta egari yarenge bosyo bwaye nigo bone serikali yaboriwe akweneki abuna ngogare yare ngogare yere epare yo gotebekana akwenekia imebasukane menge asebo igo baboriwe kwenekia buna ngo babarabango asogotoria abantu chinga ke basukano abuneyo yabe gekwenekiwa.
Liabiri gari tuliambia linatoka Kongo linaelekea Nairobi liende mpaka Mombasa. So tumekuja tu vizuri, gari lilikuwa limejaa tu, hatuwezi tukasema lilikuwa limebeba excess, lilikuwa na abiria wa kutosha. Pale Bungoma kuna driver mwingine aliweza kuingia na conductors wawili. So huko mbele tulijua kazi iko sawa, manake kulikuwa na co-driver. Tumekuja lakini kafika mahali gari likaanza kwenda mwendo ambao abiria tulikuwa tunajiuliza kuna nini huko mbele. Hatujui kama driver wetu alikuwa analala anasinzia au nini. Lakini tulipofika hapa mahali tulishitukia tu imegonga lori na Probox ilikuwa kando. Lori naye kasukuma Probox. Kisha gari yetu, basi letu likaweza kuanguka kwenye mto.
Hii barabara imekuwa ni barabara ndogo sana. Tungeomba serikali wajaribu kupanua hii barabara. Ndiposa magari yanapotoka kutoka huko na yale yanatoka juu yawe wanatapata vijini zinazapitana. Juu kwa sasa hii unaona ajali ilitendeka saa 10, saa hii kuna mpaka saa hii watu bado wamelalewa pale. Kumaanisha kuna ulegevu mahali fulani. Sasa tunaomba serikali tafadhali barabara waipanue ndio magari yanapopitana yawe kuna
togotigana nayo nigo abanyagatari mense ya Kenya inse kombe ky'abanyagatari Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union KMPDU nigo bagosereire gochya koirana ase omugiro bwemeremo inseye amatuko 14 onye serikali tego cyo goikerania amagani abo korengana no kuigwa nuko babete bakubeka aya nigago cyamagega y'abanyagatari abo gotenenia omugiro bo bw'amatuko emeronko 5 na 5 narimo chinga kia serikali ya betege okore bikarana barabona ko bainakeria unanecho ikirania egati ya magani abo asegeka kie miaka gosasegeka kia matuko emerongo kianda asibono ababwatani korwase ekyombe kyo ya KMPDU bakora wono muri kyo monene Dr. Davdia Tela babira otabona chinga kinigo cyabere chikoera na tibaro chigose serikali nechikubaikiraneria amagani abo bono nigo batebire na weka babe bakogenda asomagiro weka amagani ayo abereka wikiraniwa.
As we signed the agreement on 8th of May, we expect the monies to be released from the Ministry of Health, from the Treasury, to all the 47 counties and must appear on our payroll as agreed latest in the payroll of September. Otherwise, we are going to cite the governments for contempt and we'll be ready to go back on the strike to demand for these payments. The doctors of this country have been patient and we continue to be patient. But our patience should not be confused for comfort. These counties we put on notice that effective 5th of September, they don't need to expect any services unless the salaries for the month of July and August are paid. But as a union, our members have reported across the entire country that have not seen these monies in their pay slips.
Chinga kyecho nigo abarimu inse ekyombe gya Kuppet nabo igonat bagenderete kogosereria guchaka omugirobo abworitkoria ankyo chitariki 25 nemo arine chinga kichisukuru kirachake koigorwa ase tamu ya gatatu kurengana ne kalenda ya masomo y'omwaka oyiga o 2024 niga abarimu abo bakomochia ekyombe ky'abarimu Teacher Service Commission TSC ase oko bataikiraniria amagani abo kurengana no koigwana oko babete kubekwa niga barimu abwite ekyombe gya Kuppet korwase county ya Meru batatigiri magega ase baterebuna goika bwatranera barimu korwase chinsinyo chonsi ase ogokora omugiro yori tkoria ankyo goika ebirero byabo nabayigo amagani abo abeireka wategererwa.
This strike has been called by the Teacher Service Commission for the failure to honor the part of the bargain that we had agreed, and the CBA was signed, deposited in the Labor Relations Court, and therefore it is an agreement that should be honored. We are also perturbed by the Teacher Service Commission and indeed the Treasury to reduce the medical cover, the money that is meant for the medical cover for the teachers. The medical cover reached a total of 21 billion. But surprisingly, the Teacher Service Commission or Treasury has reduced the medical cover expenses from 21 billion to 11 billion. Therefore, we demand reinstatement of the same for the teachers to continue taking care of our children. Thirdly, we are also perturbed by the Teacher Service Commission not to remit monies that they already take from the teachers' salaries. I'm referring to third-party deductions, whereby if you
na senchire ya moyo koine kiabu na maganyo gosama gendro na gendete koine kiwane ni meye county ya Kericho ni gomo senator bwe county ya Kericho Aaron Cheruyet abiriga korotota gatie miroberio ya magendro gatie county ya Kericho na baigo county ya Bomet anane asomuroberio bwe chinguru chomuriro yobete kogo chakiwa miaka 5 yetire korende otanya goikerani wagose koera goikabono Cheruyet nigo abirega kote baburu muroberio yo nigo rengete konya abaremi Asech Factory asoko bakyaneria egurube yo gwakanira estimana goikirania obokoreri borobya Asech Factory anene asabaremi bekemerigie chae nabayigo ekemeri giekawa nigaine kiria bunan muroberio yo no chegoikeraniwa asegeka kiemetenyi kianda erebosio nabayigo kuburi botenenerio buya bwekombe gia KTDA korotota magendro na kwenekia obotumekyo buya bwenibo yabaremi.
We are not happy. Personally, as a leader, I'm disappointed because, you know, we are the large. Out of this project in the country, the farmers of Kericho and Bomet made the biggest contribution. We should have been the first ones to have our project running. In other regions and other parts of the country, their farmers are benefiting from these hydro projects that KTDA had envisioned. Basically, the whole idea was noble and still is, because it's going to reduce the cost of power that our factories uses by close to 50%, because they'll generate sufficient power for themselves, which they'll use in the factory, and where there is excess power, they sell off to KTDA, meaning that farmers are going to benefit twice. One, from 50% savings of what they are being charged now to produce their tea. Two, they will earn dividends from the extra power that they'll be selling to KTDA. And three, and most importantly, you know, there has been a conversation about the quality of tea that is being produced here in the west of the Rift. And part of the factors that affect our quality of tea that we produce is power that is inconsistent. Many of the times there is power interruption in our factories, and that is what contributes to our tea not being of very good quality. So this will also help in when you have more reliable and efficient power, you produce.
Omurai wekiama kia DAPK Eugene Wamalwa nigagenderete kwene kiabuna abarai kora sensemire kwa meriria serikali nigo baragendera guterana butingu asoko ine kiabuna ngwegerera bare abakenya iri kwene kiabuna abanyorire obusbore nabo igo obwene bwabo gukwana chinga kiecho Wamalwa nigo managenderete ko mochia serikali kubwatkana negurube eyo bagenderete kommentera abakenya akoirera abakenya wetera chinga kichingo ngwaso goikirania emirobere yabo ya kerari tuko anena sensemo yetsemi.
Mambo ya siasa wenzangu wameongea hapa na nimemsikia sana, nafikiri ni executive director wa UDA Bwana Mabore, yeye amesema UDA hapa inaenda juu kabisa, lakini mimi sijui kama UDA inaenda juu. Kile mimi najua ushuru ndio umeenda juu zaidi. Na hiyo ilifanya majenzi wakajitokeza. Kweli si kweli? Sababu ninyi mlipata, mimi na Uhuru tuliacha mafuta ikiwa 8% VAT kwa mafuta. Lita ilikuwa shilingi 159. Lakini UDA ilipoingia wakadouble VAT on fuel from 8% to 16%. Mafuta ilienda juu, haikuenda juu. Sio UDA ilienda juu, ni nini? Mafuta. Karo ya shule sasa, university, Mugabe amesema hapo walikuwa wanafunzi wote walikuwa wanalipa was it 15 or 16,000? 16,000. Sasa wazazi hawa walio hapa wanapata shida sana, sababu hata mambo ya karo ya university imeenda juu.
Na sensemo yendeni ngo maseneta wa kaunti ya Kakamega Boni Halwale abeire gakongo chie serikali ya Kenya Kwanza akubwatkana nomurobere bwo kubwatuka Chibesa ni nase chi university naboigo umurobere OCBC ase chi school ekyaterumna nigo kyaretre umuchando munene ase aba Kenya nigaruro kuburo cha serikali kwene kiabuna babere bako ligerelia buya emirobere yo asoko ene kiabuna chinga kinyororo cyabere chikuru cha sabaibuli naboigo aborokiwa na borokia asogwekirania chis ebirenge bya byetsemi imense ya Kenya.
Kuna mwanaume Kenya hii anaitwa Profesa Mnavu, mwalimu wangu katika University of Nairobi. Amekosea wa Kenya sana. President alimpatia nafasi ya kusimamia jopo ya kuangalia sekta ya masomo. Profesa Mnavu akaambia president mambo mawili hatari sana. Ya kwanza akaleta kitu anaita funding model ambaye ni mbaya. Profesa Mnavu akaleta kitu ya pili inaitwa ati tubadilishe from 844 tusukume kitu ambaye inaitwa CBC. Sikia wewe member of parliament, kitu inaitwa CBC. I want to give you two schools. Chengori Primary School in Bungoma and Maninya Primary School in Kakamega. Chengori Primary, comprehensive school, ikona in class in JCC, JSS, ikona 130 students. Walimu watatu wanafundisha subjects 13. Wale walimu watatu hakuna mwalimu ndani yake wa physics.
Mwanchi omuliriri bono orobotyo ruo ya maseneta we kaunti ya Kakamega na rogotreta omwerio wemaye chinsa isano na ibere asenchera ere yobwenge kurenda ya munaenda mange ningendera gukwarganira ina indora chikanyora senchera yobwenge chikoraga chinsa 10 ko bakirambia mono bali mugendera to bwatya kurwase chinsinyo aundo chikega sensemo ya Facebook radio nyari Simba otebanagendera to bwatya epsiba mungara oteba korwa chinsemo cyanya kwa Nigeria kerbo korwa chinsemo cya Bahrain Kingdom oteba unana genderete gutobwate kigima Kalen Osinde kurwanya makoro to abateba nware imegwika omwera ine abunigati abali bagenderete kuri batumire chi ujumbe cyabo asensemo ya Facebook inyara semero brensi ya Ndizi TV abokandira otonyara wetra asensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyara wetra Ndizi TV News na bigasi website ito wetra www.ndizitv.net yereto gendere gusanga asubwamo iri triane Evelyn Osero Kevin Mugambi minero ine kiachipicha neriogi chawe keira senchabene twaruburiri burubuya.